as this drum turns, it pushes fingers with cams to send signals to the different contactors for 14 positions. So what I'll do is I'll go through slowly. The line breaker is the big one, LB on the right there. That has to pull in first before anything else will work. Okay? Because if the line breaker doesn't pull in 600 volts, it won't happen. So that'll happen first, and then when it's released, you'll see a little bit of a flame and arc come out to the right there. So, of course, when it's in neutral, it'll go through faster. You'd never go that fast when you're accelerating normally, because to get up from 0 to 50 kilometers an hour, it would be more going like this. Now, the brake pedal for dynamic brakes also makes use of some of these contactors. And there's a drum here, 6 positions of dynamic brakes. So, could you depress the brake pedal a few times? So you'll see what happens when the dynamic brakes are energized. You'll see the arc when it releases.
Whenever it's the same system as the one in the 1954. Angus, is it the same system as the one in the BC Hydro Trolley that we used last time?
Yes. So that's why if you're sitting on a seat right above this, you can feel this coming through the floor. Very forgiving. 1935, designed by General Electric.